Banking. A bank is a financial intermediary for the safeguarding, transferring, exchanging, or lending of money. Banks distribute money. The medium of exchange a bank is a business and bank seller their service to earn money, and they need to market and manage those services in a competitive field. What is banking? Banking is the business of receiving deposits from the general public and then lending the funds to borrowers or otherwise investing. Banking is about dealing in money and providing financial services. There are different types of banks: central bank, commercial bank, cooperative bank, institutionalized bank, specialized bank, and development banks. Every bank is divided into different categories. All these banks has its own functions. Central bank. It is a bank which is entrusted with the functions of guiding, supervising, controlling, and regulating banking system of the country. It is known as the banker's bank. It provides guidance to the other bank. It is a government's bank and it generally does not deal with public. Commercial bank. Commercial banks are governed by an Act, Banking Regulation Act 1949. They accept deposit and grant short-term loans to its customer. It gives long-term and medium-term loans to business enterprises. They also provide housing loans on a long-term basis to individuals. Commercial banks are three types: public sector bank, private sector bank, and foreign bank. Public sector bank, where majority of stake is held by Government of India or RBI. Example: SBI Bank, PNB Bank, IOB Bank, etc. Private sector bank, where majority of stake is held by private individuals. Example: ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Jammu and Kashmir. Foreign bank, they are registered and have their headquarters in foreign countries but have their branch in our country. Example: Citibank. Cooperative banks. Cooperative society are formed by people who come together and form a society jointly so as to serve a common interest. These societies are formed under the State Cooperative Society Act. When a cooperative society engages in banking business, it is called a cooperative bank. They have to obtain a license from the Reserve Bank of India. Specialized bank. These banks provide support for setting up business in specific area of activity only. Some of the specialized banks are Exim Bank and NABARD. These banks provide support and assistance for setting up business for exporting products abroad or importing products from foreign countries for sale in our country. They also provide information of international market. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It finances agriculture and rural sector. It can provide both short-term and long-term loan through regional rural banks.